Sal and the cat sleeping on I think it's about 14 degrees outside. It's a cold winter day, and our boiler is down here at the Hotel Orloff, so we're extremely cold. We're gonna have to get a new boiler, it looks like, and meantime we've got space heaters and stuff going. Waiting for David Wilcock to go on in 41 minutes. And just did a live stream. Going to go on Night Tiger's live stream tonight. He's doing a special about Gold Key Comics, and we were waiting for the snow, the Arctic blast to hit, and it looks like it has finally started. So, and man, there's wind out there like you wouldn't believe. Let me go out here and see what it's like. My goodness. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? If it gets bad enough, work might be canceled tomorrow. They said the snow would start last night. It's finally starting now. I think it's approaching, it's in the 12 o'clock hour. I don't know the exact time. Pretty strong wind. Let me stand over here where I got the house, the hotel to shield me. Yeah, the snow's starting to get excellent. Keep snowing, man. Yeah, this snow's coming down pretty quickly now. Man, there's ice in my beard. Holy shit. Can you see that? There's ice in my beard. Because I had just brushed my teeth and my beard was wet. And I've never had that happen in my life. Of course, I've never had a beard until just a few years ago. I don't think I ever grew a beard in my life till about the time I started on YouTube. What is that, 5-6 years ago? Yeah, there's a bunch of ice in my beard. Man, I feel like I'm in a north to Alaska, man. Yeah, look at this, man. It doesn't feel like it's 14 degrees outside. It feels like it does inside the house, which is actually, I don't know. having any heat in the house for 24 hours. I didn't really realize. Gee. I'm dreaming of a white January 6th, just like the January 6th I used to know. Yes, indeed. And may all your January 6s be white. Yeah, well, I don't know about you, but it's a little cold here again. What do you think about this? I think I'll go back in. Drew the dog. Well, once again, Dr. Pepper at 10, 2, and 4, ladies and gentlemen, and you'll look just like this man. Got a bunch of comics ready here for tonight's historic Gold Key Comics broadcast on the Night Tiger channel. Right, Drew? And we will see you tonight at 7 o'clock Central on the Night Tiger channel.